What's going on YouTube? Today I want to show you guys how to get multi-window 3DoF, so 3 degrees of freedom head tracking on the RayNeo F4 Pro or pretty much any other RayNeo glasses. There are two methods. One of them is the PC method, which is a bit more inconvenient or not ideal. The other method is a mobile. So the first method is by using RayNeo's own PC, which is the RayNeo link, mirror link, or something like that. I've already made a video which you can watch right here on how to. Basically, you just got to go to RayNeo's website, download the software, install it. Once you install it, you open it up, you plug your glasses in, you drag whatever windows that you want to use in multi-windows in, and you click on apply. For more details on that, you should watch my full review on that PC software. It hasn't really changed since the last time I made a video of that. So there is the first method, which is which will work with your RayNeo F4 Pro in case you want to try that, all those HDR or whatever it is, and you want to be able to do multi-window spatial computing. The second method, which is the more ideal method, will be using the in-ear pod. This pod right here is it's a spatial computing device by in-ear. This thing is incredible. What's incredible about this device is it's not just compatible with in-ear's own glasses, it's compatible with other glasses. So this includes X-Ray and Feature. So basically, this device right here is a super powerhouse. If you want to see a full review on this, I've also made a video on that. You can just connect this to a whole bunch of different things. As a matter of fact, the way it is right now, you can literally connect it to your TV just by hitting the search button. And once your TV pops up, you click on it and you're going to be able to stream and do things, or you can even connect to a projector. I partner with in-ear. So now I have an affiliate link. I'm going to put the affiliate link in the description as well as in the comment. That way, if you guys want one, you can grab one. Now, here's the big thing to know about RayNeo's compatibility with this device right here. The software is actually not out to the public just yet. But if you want to know what it's going to be like when it comes out to the public, I'm going to give you a preview of the exact experience you're going to get with your RayNeo F4 Pro when you are connected to this device right here via USB-C. So RayNeo is in-ear is currently working on the software. They are in collaboration with Rohit, which is a developer that also developed the PC software called Virtual XR, which is also a software that I've already made a video of. Basically, they're working with him to develop this and polish it to be more stable and work well. That way you can get 3DoF, which is 3 degrees of freedom, because I know a lot of people are asking what is 3DoF. 3 degrees of freedom, you can get head tracking, multi-windows, but basically this is the experience you will be able to get using the RayNeo F4 Pro with the in-ear pod. This in-ear pod completely transformed the RayNeo F4 Pro. It takes it to a whole nother level. So with the RayNeo, you have AI HDR and you have HDR10. With that glasses, you are going to be able to connect to the pod and be able to watch 3D content, because the 3D is done right on the pod. And then with the pod, you can also have multiple windows open. You can have as many as 6. So you're just going to have a phenomenal experience. RayNeo does not have a device that allows for spatial computing. And when you have companies like X-Ray who has spatial computing device, well, their device is not compatible with RayNeo's to give you spatial computing. Spatial also has their own Pro neckband, which is also not compatible with RayNeo's. So your only saving grace, your only chance of having mobile spatial computing is this in-ear pod. And once again, in-ear pod is extremely powerful. It is my favorite spatial computing device of 2025. I highly recommend this. It is a little bit pricey, but trust me guys, it is absolutely worth it for many reasons. One, if you buy a RayNeo glasses, you're not stuck with RayNeo glasses, because you can buy another glasses and use with this. If you have an X-Ray glasses, well, you can use an X-Ray glasses with this. If you have a Feature glasses, well, you can use Feature glasses with this. And if you have in-ear's own glasses, you can use in-ear's own glasses with this. So I highly recommend it. But anyway, once again, the software or the update to make the RayNeo F4 Pro compatible with the pod is not out to the public yet, but it should be pretty soon. And I hope that you guys get one of these if you don't already have one. That way you can try. You can also wait till the update comes out. That way you can try it. I will definitely let you know when the update is out to the public. You know, that way you guys can experience real spatial computing for yourself. That way you can, you know, be content with your $250 glasses, not having to spend, you know, $400-500 just to get 3 off. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.